Numbers 1 to 10,000. Numbers are an essential part of communication, allowing us to quantify, order, and describe the world around us. Whether you're counting objects, telling the time, or discussing your age, understanding numbers is crucial for effective communication in English. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident using numbers in English, opening up a world of possibilities for expressing yourself accurately and effectively. Let's get started. Numbers 0 to 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numbers 11 to 19, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. Numbers 20 to 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. The numbers in between. To make any of the numbers in between, you simply use the formula 10's number plus number from 0 to 9. 40 is 3, 36, 25. Numbers 100, 1000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. The numbers in between. To make any number in between the hundreds, simply use the formula hundreds number and tens number plus number from 0 to 9. 143, 368, 975. Numbers 1000, 10,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. The numbers in between. To make any number in between the thousands, simply use the formula 1000 number plus hundreds number plus tens numbers plus number from 0 to 9. 1,683, 2,425, 1,275. Thanks, Elsa, Avadamir Resources page.